Hey guys, we're back at SEMA with Cameleon. This year we're introducing Cameleon Premium. This allows us to not only do the underneath of the car, but strut towers and ends of the frame rail as well. Cameleon Premium has added a whole nother box of fixtures, which allows the customer to do 16 total jig points with horizontal and vertical mounting. The Cameleon software is live on the Celette website. You'll access your vehicle, build your data sheet, print it out, and take it to the machine to build every Cameleon fixture. In the past, with fixture-based systems, there was no data report that was available. Cameleon Premium has changed that. Whatever fixtures do not fit the vehicle, you'll enter the data that's shown on the slide blocks and height adapters onto the website and be able to generate an insurance report. As it's been proven in the past, fixture-based repairs are the best way to repair a car. For more information on Cameleon Premium, please visit Celette.com or call our headquarters in Lombard, Illinois.